What is up, boys and girls? Empire Steve back with you yet again. Today is Saturday. It is the 11th of February. I want to remind you all to go ahead, hit that like and subscribe. I still have about 65% of the people that watch my videos are not subscribed. It does not cost you a thing to subscribe. Or definitely like. And if you don't like it, go ahead and give it the old dislike. That's fine too. It's not going to hurt my feelings. I'm definitely not here to make any money. I just want to share with you all what has worked with me, worked for me, and may possibly could work for you after you do your own personal homework and some back testing. So it's not financial advice. Always trade at your own risk. Just remember that. Also, Apex Trader Funding is 80% off. That is 80% off the evaluation and 80% off the recurring cost. It also, any entry you do, puts you towards a drawing for a 100K PA account. Only about 10 people win that, and I think last time there's around 100,000 people that had an entry. So that is actually crazy. Good luck winning. I've never won, but I sure hope one of you win. That would be sweet, in my opinion. And also, you all need to be super careful this week coming up, especially on the 14th, which is Tuesday. Let's scroll down. What do you see at 8:30? Ding, ding, ding. You got CPI. Then you have lots of Feds talking at 9:30, 11, 11:30. Guess who's not trading on Tuesday? Take a guess. Ding, ding, ding. I'm not trading on Tuesday. Heck no. I'm going to watch the market, but I'm certainly not going to trade. You're asking for a bruising, and then you have at 2 a.m. on the 15th, you got UK. So this week is not going to be fun. I'm telling you, it's not going to be fun. It's very risky if you trade. There will be a lot of action. So no thanks to me. But I am curious. I want to show you all a strategy I used to use. I used it when I was trading mostly options on SPY, SPX, and I did really well. Also have done well with it trading NEO, which is one of my biggest options winners to date. I've made around $12,000 scalping options on NEO. So I want to show you real fast these indicators. I want you to put them on your chart, and I'll explain to you what they are and how to use them. So it's CM, Stochastic Multi-Time Frame, by Chris Moody. And then also I have this Moving Average Multi-Time Frame version 2 by Chris Moody. A lot of people like his stuff. A lot of people. So it's pretty popular. I personally like to use it on the 5-minute, not so much the 1 minute. You could use it 5 minute, any time frame, but the 1 minute, it's a little bit sketchy, because you'll see a lot of it's just, to me, it's not that accurate on the 1 minute. When you start messing around with it, you will understand. So here's the 5 minute. This is let's go to, we are oversold here. When you're above this 20, when you're above the 80, you are oversold. When you're below the 20, you are over. I jacked that up twice. Let's start again. When you are under the 20 here, you are oversold. When you are above the 80, you are overbought. So now that we have that out there, so here you go. This is at 1 o'clock. We start showing some bearish. You see these wicks. We are inside of this bearish order block. This also, if you're curious, I've made a couple videos about it. This is Order Block Finder. Order Block Finder by that's not it. Let's go separate it. Order block right here. This is by WUGAMLO, and so there's that. And then also I have the fair value gaps by Nephew Sam. So those are what I have, and you can check those out on your own. And I want to say that these are the Order Block Finder and the fair value gap. I basically have it set to default, but I can show you if you want real fast. So this is I do not extend the boxes, delete boxes after fill is checked, and hide fair value gaps lower than enabled time frame. So that's here. I only want to see it whatever chart that I have it on, because I do have multiple boxes going whenever I'm trading. So anyway, back to the stochastic, for instance. When it starts crossing to a bearish, you would put your stop at the high here. So you cross right here at the 20, so which is in this candle. Your stop would be up here. So if you get in here at anywhere, say 40.95, your stop would be at 41.01. It's a big stop. It is pretty risky. So you don't necessarily have to do it there. You can just use the 10 tick and just get back in if it reverses again. That's the beautiful thing about trading futures, is you can just get right back in. So you can use a 10 tick or a 12 tick or whatever you want. If that's your risk, you just got to do whatever is according to your own personal risk. But then you can see we come back into, we do cross here, so that would have been, you would have got stopped out right here. You would have got stopped out. So you got to really wait. You can wait until we're at like 30 if you really wanted to. Wait till you're at 30 and put it at the prior candle high. If you want to do that, or you can wait till you're, whatever works out best for your personal risk. But the one that I like to use it on the most is the 3 minute. I think it's much better on the 3 minute. Let's go to an even, so right here, perfect. Does not break above the 20, finally breaks above the 20 here. You would put your stop here, you get in here in this candle, your stop is down here. So 72 is a pretty wide stop, so just remember that. You only want to, and here's the beautiful thing about it. If you're patient and you have the ability to watch the charts like I do, basically all day long, I don't turn, I'm just, even when I'm not trading, I'm watching. I'm just watching and learning. Have the ability to do that, so I will be doing that until I really figure everything out to a T. But you could use it. You could certainly use it. Look at that nice run, and then we held this EMA as long as, and I'll show you what this one is. I have it set to 13, but you can go to 14. A lot of people use 13 and 14. So you can do whatever you want. I kind of like it a little bit lower, so we could even go down to the 10. So, or let's just do 11 just for shits and giggles. So you close, and you can basically get in here at this breakdown at your high. You finally break down here, and you would hold it. You put your stop up here, and you can hold it until you start moving, until we start closing. When it closes above, it'll be green. So it's green here, red here, short. So it's green here. It means we're still above this price, and we have not closed below this price on this EMA. So, and this would have been a beautiful one. So you cross here and you hold as long as we are green. So you would have sold here. So 40.82, so 40.65 to 82. It did get a little choppy. There was some news coming out here. I would not use it on days where there is news. You want to use it when the market is trending. Stochastic, on the other hand, you can use that basically, I would say also trending, but you really want to be careful on the days where there's news. So the 3 minute chart is the one that I love to use it on. That's the one I would have you all just take a peek at it. Use all of these indicators. This bearish order block did not, it worked out, so it worked out here, but it did not work out here. And then you have this bullish one here, but price never really came back down into it. But the stochastic is something that I used to use. I just wanted to show it to you all, so you can throw it on your chart and give it a test and see what happens for you. So that is basically, that's all I really wanted to go over today. And I really wanted you all to be aware of the news that was coming this week. It's going to be a big week of news. Tuesday, I will not be trading. You will not see me live anywhere. So that is basically it. If you all have anything else that you want me to go over in a future video, leave that comment down below, and I will look for that, and I'll try my hardest to create that video for you. I hope you all have a great weekend. Let's see what kind of fun Super Bowl game we got going on this week coming up. I think it's on Monday, right? But that'll be interesting. I don't care who wins. My team did not make it. But I will be honest, though. I kind of hope Philly wins, but I really don't care. Only because they have, I like Jalen Hurts. So, but again, I don't care. He's not my quarterback. My team already lost. RIP. But it's okay. But anyway, I hope you all have a good weekend, and I look forward to talking to you this week coming up. Take care. See you soon.